Good Monday morning, and yes, Monday morning fabrics. And what we've got is just kind of a refresher of what we've had, just because there's just some bits and pieces. All great summer fabrics, all either 100% cotton or viscose. We've got knits and wovens, and they're all $13.99. Again, there's not room and there's not much. We'll go fast, but we're going to start with this 100% cotton. It's a woven, and it's a linear. And of course, what we know is there's so many cute things being done with lines these days that this is just a really, with stripes, it's a really fun fabric to play with. 100% cotton. This is 100% viscose. It is a border print. You can see that there's navy across the top, and then all kinds of great colors in between. Just a really cool border print. The border is only on one side. The border is about 10 inches wide. And this is viscose. I stretch in both directions. And we have just a nice, really pretty little blue, light blue. Love this. 100% viscose, great drape. Not sheer, but definitely thin. I love it. It's perfect for like 215, those tops that have lots of fullness and swags or lots of gathers. 145 St. John's top would be really nice with this. Just some really good options. This is 100% cotton. Great drape. Just beautiful drape. Great print. Very tropical. It's like the palm trees, but done in a navy. Very pretty. iCat, I think it actually is. It's an iCat print, so you can see that both sides are really usable. This is a gray background with a black, and just very typical print. The Indians, or ancient, I'm not sure where that came from exactly. I should have done my homework on that. But that's 100% cotton, and then this also is 100% cotton, and it's beautiful little, kind of a muddled roses. It's very pretty. It's a red, very pretty red, orange red, and it's beautiful. 100% cotton again, just perfect for now and just great prices. Happy sewing from Silhouette Pattern.